Penitentiary chances just to make a couple bucks. My heart so cold, I could put it in my cup. Game versus the world, me and my dog, it was us. Then you went and wrote a statement and that really fucked me up. My brother lost his life and it turned me to a beast. My brother got life and
hello again, guys. Yeah, my hair's like really messy, as you can see. I woke up ages ago, around like, what time did I wake up? I was like around 8 something, I can't remember. But when I walked outside, I realized there's a cat. It's a black cat, and you have to see this, guys. You just have to see this. I'm sorry. It's just a random black cat. It just came into my place, just outside my door, and yeah, let's see what happens. Do you play? Yeah, I guess like I'm not a cat person. I'm just a dog type. I'm just here to play around with the cat kitty. I don't know what's doing now. I'm just gonna get some attention. No, okay. I usually do that because it just comes back to me. Come on. I guess not. Oh, I guess all cats like to get pet, you know. But as long, so if I pet my dog, he would smell it and he would hate me. So my dog would hate me if he smells it or lick it. He would hate me and he would get so sad. God. What are you doing now, huh? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Yeah, just gonna color my leg. Yep. Okay, cool. Yeah, you just sniffing stuff. Wow, very nice. So right now, I'm not too sure if you can hear the music in the room. I'm listening to hardstyle. Hey guys. Oh yep. Hey. It just lifted my camera. Hey, you can't go inside the house. You can't go in. I'm sorry. You're gonna mess up my shit. Oh yeah, you can play with the carpet. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's totally fine. Totally. Oh, okay. Okay. It's fucking up my phone when I play music. So I'm just gonna keep it close, I guess. Yeah, my phone's cracked. I know that. My phone's cracked. I dropped it like sometimes last month. I don't remember. You wanna know how I dropped it? I fucking dropped it like this on the screen. With the case, obviously. I dropped it like this. And when I was walking to the gym, it fell like this out of my hand. Like, actually, you know what? I knocked it and it was like that. And when I flipped it, I was like, oh my god. And I was really pissed inside, so yeah. Hey! You can't be that sad. You can't be that sad, okay? I'm your buddy. Yeah, that's what I thought. I don't know what it's doing right now. Hey. I guess this cat's kind of a bit scared of the camera. Hey! Hey! Over here! What? It's not paying attention. God damn it. Cats nowadays, I'm sorry. Cool. Try not to eat those plants. Yeah, you can sniff, but don't eat. It's lucky it's not October. Oh, thank God. Usually, because during Halloween, some people would say, if you look at a black cat, it gives you bad luck for some reason. I don't know. It just gives you. Shut up. Does that mean anything? Like, if you look at a black cat, it gives you like it gives you what's that word again? That's right. If you look at that back hat, yeah, I forgot. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's right. That's the word. If you look at the back hat, it gives you I'm trying to figure that. It's in my head. I said it, but I can't remember. It gives you bad luck. There it is. Bad luck. Does that mean anything? Like, comment below if that means anything. Like, I don't really know if that's bad luck or not. I don't know if I want to trick this cat. I want to do something to this cat, like just to trick it. Maybe I just want to like open this door and then like pretend to let it in, and then like I don't know, like try to let it in and then do a trick and close the door so it doesn't come in. I don't know. Oh, okay, cool. Yep, that's how cats do, I guess. That's, yeah. Oh, you want to play with my hands? Oh, okay. The lady do. Oh, okay. Play with my hands, yep. Don't scratch me though. If you do, you'll make me fingers bleed or hands bleed, I swear to God. Maybe it doesn't want attention anymore. Guys, I'm a dog type. I like playing with dogs because they're so much fun. But I'm sorry if this offends you, but cats are boring. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm not picking my nose, I'm scratching underneath my nose because it itches, because you get like a little itch and you can feel it, as you know, some people do that, you know. Give me a sec. Yeah, you better be. Oh, yeah, fuck it. I was supposed to be at TAFE, but you know what? Because my legs are just like sore, so I'm just giving it a rest. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, I'm just giving it like a little rest because I kind of hurt my legs during gym, so I was like doing leg day with the weights. So I also did like some cardio in the morning before I even did weight on the leg, for legs day. Ah, God, there's so much talking. Yes. Freaking Katie. Ah, God damn it. She's so boring. Ugh. Dogs are fun more because cats are not that fun. What can I do with this cat? What can I do? This cat just randomly, I don't know, came to my house and decided to to you know, play around, I guess. Play around, yeah, I guess. Not mine, no, not mine. I guess there's nothing else to talk about, so you know, comment below if there's more videos you want more. So hey, okay, look, it wants attention. Sorry, it just jumped into my leg there, and then there. Freaking kitty. Well, looks like I'm gonna end it here. I guess I don't know what to say anymore. Well, I hope you guys like it and like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I have 31 subscribers. Subscribe to me. I'm trying to get more subscribers and make new videos every day. Maybe I'll try every day, maybe. Oh, cause I'm just like, you know, busy as usual. And yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna end it here. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Reel it in. I got the bag. Tell a friend. She got got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new